just wanted to go off. Wow.
Flood warning now in effect until...
Flood warning.
Thunderstorms across southern Wisconsin tonight. And the extended outlook...
Oh my god. Gotta shut up my speaker now. Thunder.
Spotter activation may be needed Wednesday afternoon into the early evening. Hazardous weather outlook for the near from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Windsor, Illinois. Tonight, a small craft advisory is in effect for gusty southeast winds and building waves. There is a chance for a thunderstorm tonight. And now the extended out. Thunderstorms are expected afternoon and evening. Storms may become severe. A gale watch is in effect from 7 a.m. Thursday through 7 p.m. Thursday for strong southwest winds. Now he. Now the extended outlook for the period when at 6:35 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Denmark, or 12 miles southeast of Green Bay, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Kewanee, Algoma, Luxembourg, Two Creeks, Michigan, Larrabee, Cooperstown, Casco, Birchwood, and Maribel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Kewanee, and Manitowoc.
That's my country. Warning light still going off. And I got my neighbors. So, goodbye everyone.